It's pretty obvious that by now you guys know that I love to discover different supplements and nootropics and peptides and compounds that can dramatically affect our biology. And so in this video, what I'm going to do is share with you a specific supplement that has some research to suggest that it can increase testosterone and decrease estrogen in healthy young men. So for those of you who are brand new to my channel, my name is Lucas, the founder of Boost Your Biology. If you've been enjoying these videos, then please hit that like button and hit subscribe down below to stay up to date with the latest and greatest health research. So in today's video, what I'm going to do is share with you D-Chiro Inositol. Now, D-Chiro Inositol, or DCI, is a type of inositol which is a type of sugar alcohol that is present in various foods and can also be synthesized in the human body. Now, these inositols play a role in cellular signaling and are involved in several physiological processes, including insulin signaling and glucose metabolism. Now, interestingly, researchers find that DCI, or D-Chiro Inositol, has been shown to increase low progesterone levels, reduce serum insulin levels, reduce raised serum androgens, or testosterone, both free and total in women, reduce glycosylated hemoglobin A1C, which is an indicator of long-term sugar levels, reduce plasma triglyceride levels, it may induce weight loss, it may assist with reducing the hangry sensation, and also assisting with brain fog. So if you were to pay attention carefully to what I just said then, I mentioned that this DCI, or D-Chiro Inositol, can reduce raised serum androgens such as testosterone, both free and total. Now, this was actually conducted in women. So now what I want to do is actually showcase the opposite effect that happens in men. So we can see that this study here was titled D-Chiro Inositol, an aromatase downregulator, increases androgens and reduces estrogens in male volunteers, a pilot study. Now, each of the 10 volunteers enrolled took oral D-Chiro Inositol at 1 gram per day for 1 month. Now, serum assays of selected markers were performed at baseline and after treatment. Now, interestingly, D-Chiro Inositol administration was associated with reduced serum levels of estrone, so it went down 85%, and estradiol went down 14.4%, and increased serum levels of testosterone by 23.4%, and DHEA also increased by 13.8%. In addition, epiandrosterone levels were higher by 39% after treatment. So obviously this is a small sample size, it's only 10 volunteers, but at least this study was conducted in humans. And what we're seeing are pretty dramatic increases in testosterone. We're looking at around 23.4% increase in testosterone and a reduction in estradiol, or estrogen, by 14.4%. On the other hand, follicle stimulating hormone, luteinizing hormone, and inhibin B did not change. Now, there was a trend towards a decrease of glycemia, insulinemia, and homeostatic model of assessment index was observed after D-Chiro Inositol treatment, although differences did not reach statistical significance. D-Chiro Inositol treatment did not cause any noticeable adverse effect. So in conclusion, increased androgens and decreased estrogens seem to confirm that D-Chiro Inositol acts as an aromatase downregulator or downmodulator, but with a still unknown mechanism of action. There is a lot of information that I present here on my YouTube channel. However, if you want to know exactly what protocols are best for your unique biology, then I suggest booking in a free Boost Your Biology strategy session with a senior member of my team, as we'll start to map out and strategize the best action plan for your unique biology. You'll see that linked down below in the video description. Now, if we have a look at some of the mechanisms of action, D-Chiro Inositol, as referred to in this particular study, does demonstrate antioxidant properties by activating NRF2, SKN-1, and FOXO-DAF16 pathway. So D-Chiro Inositol makes the hypothalamus region of the brain more sensitive to insulin. Now, many of you know about the importance of maintaining peak insulin sensitivity as we age, since insulin is a major driver behind unhealthy aging. And so what the authors noted was that D-Chiro Inositol makes the hypothalamus region of the brain more sensitive to the hormone insulin. Now, this in turn changes the hypothalamus, or how the hypothalamus responds to steroid signals, and restores a normal LH and FSH ratio in women with PCOS. Now, D-Chiro Inositol's ability to decrease blood sugar may depend upon manganese. Now, in a study of diabetic rats, D-Chiro Inositol alone did not decrease blood glucose, but a combination of DCI and manganese reduced blood glucose by half. Now, similar to insulin, DCI increases the activity of a pathway that reduces blood sugar and promotes the growth of new cells and tissues. Now, unlike insulin, DCI increases adenosine monophosphate kinase, or AMPK. Now, bear in mind, AMPK is also activated by berberine, metformin, and some other anti-diabetic drugs. Now, AMPK blocks an enzyme called NOX4 and activates NRF2, and these changes collectively reduce oxidative stress. Now, this is credit to the information collected from self-decode. Looking at the safety and dosage profile, we're looking at around 1,000 milligrams daily is what I would consider to be the best for metabolic and testosterone optimization benefits. Now, D-Chiro Inositol has not reliably produced any side effects in clinical trials. Now, no maximum tolerated doses have been reported, but effective doses of up to 1,200 milligrams or 1.2 grams per day are considered to be very safe. Now, in a controversial study, some doses of DCI up to 2.4 grams per day appear to reduce the quality of eggs and embryos in women with PCOS. However, the editors of the Journal of Ovarian Research have expressed concern that this study presents false information and was not approved by ethics committees. Even more strangely, one of the authors of the study later denied having written it. So, in summary, we can see that D-Chiro Inositol, just like what we see with some other supplements such as taurine, tonkat ali, Fedosia agrestis, cistanche extract, pine pollen tincture, a lot of these supplements do have some beneficial effects on increasing testosterone levels in healthy men. And so D-Chiro Inositol may be another addition to your testosterone boosting stack that you may want to consider adding in. So if you've enjoyed today's video, please like the video and hit subscribe down below. And please do me a favor and leave a comment down below to support the algorithm. All right, guys, thanks so much for tuning in. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.